This video will be on the Demotic script. The Demotic script is an ancient Egyptian language and script which was used between the 7th and the 5th century AD. When being translated into Greek, it means common, but when being translated according to the ancient Egyptians, it means book or document. It's a form of writing which is written from the right to the left and also replace the Coptic script which will be discussed in the next video. It's also a script that has signs used to describe higher authorities, higher power, or God. It was derived from the northern form of heretic writing which originated from the Nile Delta, that's the Lower Egypt. During the 25th dynasty, it also replaced the heretic script or the heretic language in the upper part of Egypt, that's the Upper Egypt. As you know, Egypt is being divided into Lower Egypt and Upper Egypt before it was being reunited. It became the official administration script or the official language being used administratively, replacing the heretic administration, the heretic script. It's also used during the Ptolemaic period, that's the 4th century, and began to be used in the religious text around the 3rd century BC, that's the 4th century BC and the 3rd century BC. Though its use started to be in the public, like the public people started to use it, or it became less used drastically until around the 2nd century AD, and the last time it was being used was around December 11, 152 AD, that's 152 years after the resurrection of Christ. It's also one of the languages that developed from the heretic writing, just from the video earlier, and has much similarities with the Coptic language, that's the Coptic ancient Egyptian language, and it is being used for literacy, administrative, and religious purpose, or let's say administrative purpose. It was also part of the language that was written on the Rosetta Stone. Like I discussed the Rosetta Stone in one of my previous videos when I was saying the Rosetta Stone was discovered in 1799. That's during the Napoleon Convention. Yeah. Looking at the Rosetta Stone is actually written in three languages. First at the top, the hieroglyphics language, that's the hieroglyph language. Then in the middle, there is the Demotic languages. The Demotic language in which it was written in about 32 lines of Demotic language, while the last language which the Rosetta Stone was written was the ancient Greek. Thanks to the Demotic writing, the scholars were being able to translate or to transcribe what the hieroglyphs was about. The ancient Greek and the Demotic writing was also a key to figuring out or translating what the hieroglyphs was trying to pass across. The ancient Greek was the key to translating the Demotic writing, although there have been traces of Demotic writing that could be translated. It took them about a period of 20 years, yeah, to translate what the Rosetta Stone was saying. The Demotic language was the main key to the translation of the hieroglyphs. Yeah, the Demotic language, let's not forget that has a relation or has its background from the heretic language. The Coptic, the Demotic have its own background from the heretic language. So do well to subscribe, follow, like and comment and share this video.